The world of cryptocurrency is dynamic and constantly evolving, with Bitcoin leading the charge as the pioneer. However, Bitcoin's perceived limitations spurred the creation of alternative cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins. Among these, Litecoin stands out as one of the oldest and most prominent, often dubbed digital silver to Bitcoin's digital gold. This video explores Litecoin's role as a potential alternative to Bitcoin, delving into its history, key features, advantages, disadvantages, and future prospects. Welcome! Is Litecoin the ultimate Bitcoin alternative? This video is for informational purposes only and is not investment advice. Let's explore. Litecoin was launched in October 2011 by former Google engineer Charlie Lee. His vision was to create a lighter and faster version of Bitcoin, addressing some of Bitcoin's perceived shortcomings, particularly in terms of transaction speed and cost. It was positioned as digital silver to Bitcoin's digital gold. Litecoin is a decentralized, peer-to-peer cryptocurrency operating on an open-source global payment network, free from central authority control. It utilizes blockchain technology to record transactions and maintain a transparent, immutable ledger. The initial intention was for Litecoin to complement Bitcoin, not replace it, by handling smaller, more efficient transactions. Key technical differences set Litecoin apart from Bitcoin. Litecoin processes blocks approximately 4 times faster than Bitcoin, with a block generation time of 2.5 minutes compared to Bitcoin's 10 minutes. This significantly speeds up transaction confirmation times. While Bitcoin uses the SHA-256 algorithm, Litecoin employs the SCRYPT hashing algorithm. SCRYPT was designed to be more energy efficient and initially more resistant to ASIC mining, aiming to promote more decentralized mining. However, ASICs now exist for both. Litecoin has a larger maximum supply of 84 million coins, which is 4 times Bitcoin's cap of 21 million. This larger supply can make it more practical for smaller transactions. Additionally, Litecoin generally boasts lower transaction fees, often just a few cents, whereas Bitcoin fees can fluctuate significantly. Litecoin's faster block times and lower transaction fees make it particularly suitable for smaller, everyday transactions, positioning it as a more efficient payment method. Bitcoin, with its slower confirmation times, is often preferred for larger, less frequent transfers and long-term investments, serving more as a store of value. Litecoin can handle approximately 56 transactions per second, significantly more than Bitcoin's 5 to 7 transactions per second. This efficiency makes it a strong contender for real-world use cases like payments. A notable recent development for Litecoin has been the integration of the Mimblewimble extension blocks, or MWEB, upgrade, activated in 2022. This upgrade aims to enhance privacy and scalability by improving transaction confidentiality and reducing blockchain size. MWEB allows Litecoin users to conduct transactions with greater anonymity by obfuscating transaction details, where only the sender and receiver know the amount being sent. Unlike some other privacy coins, MWEB offers optional privacy, allowing users to choose between transparency and confidentiality. This optionality ensures that Litecoin remains a viable option without facing the regulatory risks often associated with mandatory privacy features. The Mimblewimble protocol also addresses fungibility, meaning that one Litecoin should be equal to another, regardless of its transaction history, much like physical cash. Litecoin's advantages include faster transactions and lower fees, making it highly efficient for everyday use and micropayments. Having been around since 2011, Litecoin boasts a long track record of stability and security, with no major incidents in its operational history. It benefits from active development and a strong community, with Charlie Lee remaining a prominent figure. Upgrades like SegWit and MWEB demonstrate a commitment to continuous improvement. Litecoin also enjoys high liquidity and adoption, being widely available on major exchanges and accepted by a growing number of merchants. Due to its similar structure to Bitcoin, Litecoin has often served as a testing ground for improvements that were later applied to Bitcoin. However, disadvantages include a smaller ecosystem and less institutional acceptance compared to Bitcoin. Like most cryptocurrencies, Litecoin is subject to extreme price volatility, influenced by market sentiment, regulatory news, and macroeconomic trends. While initially designed to be more ASIC resistant, the development of STRYPT ASICs has led to some centralization of mining activities. The cryptocurrency market is highly competitive, with many altcoins vying for attention and adoption. Despite this, Litecoin's future looks promising, with ongoing developments and a focus on maintaining its advantages. Having events, which reduce the block reward approximately every 4 years, contribute to its scarcity and can exert upward pressure on prices. The latest having occurred in August 2023, reducing the block reward to 6.25 LTC. Analysts predict continued growth for Litecoin, with some forecasting significant price increases by 2028 and beyond, although these are subject to market volatility. The possibility of a spot Litecoin ETF in the future could also significantly increase investor access and demand. Ultimately, Litecoin's ability to adapt to new challenges, enhance scalability, and secure partnerships within the crypto space will be crucial for its long-term trajectory. The comparison between Bitcoin and Litecoin often boils down to their intended use cases. Bitcoin as a secure store of value and Litecoin as an efficient medium for transactions. Both play vital roles in the broader goal of decentralized currency, catering to different user needs. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, the ongoing debate about whether Litecoin can truly challenge Bitcoin or continue to serve as its complementary alternative remains a compelling topic for crypto enthusiasts and newcomers alike. What's your take on Litecoin versus Bitcoin? Thanks for watching. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and is not investment advice.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.